Guys, back again. Okay, Noel's in the main room just for maybe a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. She's right here. She is such a pretty orange. It's not even like, it's not orange, but it's not buff. It's like this really pretty color in between there. So,
hey,
it's okay.
who is that? Her? I can't turn.
Yeah, but it's nothing.
And who?
All is well.
Jefferson is fine.
Ouch. And that butterbean. Hi guys. So, would you like some updates on Pania? I just heard back from Darcy on Pania, and we have actually good news, believe it or not. Pania actually is not terrible, even though she looks kind of terrible. She's lost a little bit of weight. She's definitely got her skin issues that she's been fighting for, gosh, months and months and months and months and months. We think the skin issue is possibly like a reaction to a med that she's on constantly. So we're going to try to reduce that med and work her off of that and maybe switch it for a different med. You know how meds are weird where they can fix an issue yet cause an issue? So that we think that's what's going on with her. All in all, though, her pancreas looks good. Her bladder looks good. She had a couple very minor issues that are just kind of maybe some tweak of some meds. She might possibly have inflammatory bowel disease. It kind of happens when they get a little older sometimes. And but even at that, that's meds we're already working on. So we're just going to kind of do just really a slight tweak of some minor meds. Yeah, that's, I don't really have anything to give you, you know. Let me pull up my notes, make sure I'm not missing anything. Her gallbladder is normal. She did find a very, very small mass, very, very small on her liver. It was only one, very small. So she might have something brewing there. We're gonna just monitor it, you know. So yeah, that's my update with her. That's it. There's not really anything. Pania is gonna have just her normal upper respiratory that she kind of always, she's always that snorky. But that's it. We were afraid that she was gonna have something brewing like way back, and she did ultrasounds and x-rays on her. She's like, you know, I'm not really finding much. There's lots of little bitty things that kind of more age related, but that's it. So we're gonna work on that. We're gonna focus on trying to get her to gain a little bit more weight. You know, Pania has been, as far as I know, Deb, do you remember, I think Pania's pretty much always been a finicky eater.
She'll eat something for a while and then she doesn't want anything.
Yeah. Has she always, I feel like she's always been
yeah,
as far as like,
always been hit or miss for me.
Yeah. So, basically, like, Darcy said, give her whatever. If she wants 12 licky sticks, well, probably not 12 licky sticks, but, you know, if she wants a licky stick for supper, give her a licky stick for supper. If she wants, you know, a soup for supper, give her a soup for supper. Just give her whatever options she wants and see if we can't try to put some more weight back on her. But she's had kind of a steady decline in weight, which we've noticed over time, but there's not really anything to pinpoint, which is good. It's not really jumping out anything. So, maybe just a little slight med change and we can work on that. We're going to take her off that one med and hopefully that starts improving her skin issue. But that's it. So good news. We were all kind of like holding our breath waiting for, you know, to hear something on Pania because we just knew it was going to be this big major whatever. No, it's just kind of, let's adjust the med a little bit. Her thyroid looked good. You know, yeah, not necessarily health. I mean, there's something health related in that weight loss that she hasn't been able to find yet. So maybe just by tweaking some of these meds, it might help with the weight gain. So it's definitely, how old is Pania? Oh gosh, I think she's maybe 12, 11, 12. She's not back yet. She'll be back at some point soon. Cindy's still feeding, but then she'll go pick her up. So yeah, there's our update. So we're just gonna try to work on maybe giving her some extra fatty stuff to try to chunk her up. She does love mama and baby cat, so we'll make sure she has her full access to that. Yeah, so I think kind of 12. Oh my gosh, she's almost 13. Okay. So yeah, good news there actually. I was pretty pleased. They said Debbie, who's in the food. Oh, Debbie, who's in the food room?
Oh, Egypt.
Oh, Egypt.
He gets bored and then he wants out.
So yeah, so pretty good news actually.
Where you go? Where you go? Come on.
don't.
Let's try it.
I don't think. Oh, you just had to get adjusted.
Yeah.
Just had to get situated just right. But yeah. So hey, good news. I'll take it. Nothing major to report. So we're just gonna switch some meds and see if that doesn't show a little bit of improvement. Alma does look incredibly regal. Look at. Wow, Rambo. Oh.
Don't say anything because then he stops.
Okay, yeah. No one look at Ramsey. He's not. Don't look at him. We're gonna focus.
Nothing to see.
Here. Look. Oh.
Yeah, I swear.
I mean. Oh, he's eating terribly for you. See, I said he's eating terribly, so now he's okay.
I'll show
Anyway.
her.
Yeah. He's. Look at Lucy. Did you feed her yet?
No.
Yeah, I can tell. Can you see the Lucy head right here? She's like, excuse me?
Excuse me.
Excuse me? I have a question. How dare you? I have a question. Who do you think you are?
What is that?
It's from The Office.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to get going. Yay. Okay.
So you think it's too cold? Because I did open 2 out there.
I think in here it might not be bad for the little room when it shuts off. When you shut that door, it gets chilled. But, okay. Yay. Good news report from Dr. Darcy. She's like, I'm not finding anything. I'm like, good. I mean, she found a little bit. It's a little here, there, and, whatever. But nothing to really shout attention. So, yay, I'll take it. So when she comes back, we'll have to give her extra super big gloves, maybe a licky stick, maybe some treaties, maybe some mama baby cat. I said, well, she likes mama baby cat. She's like, yep, do it. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Mr. Carson's got his head sleeping on Marilyn. Oh, Marilyn.
How are they doing in that room? Anybody eating?
Pudding's like looking around. They're a little nervous.
Yeah, see, they got to get used to new stuff.
Yeah. Pudding's like, I don't know what the heck is happening.
Should we get her out?
Nah, she's just kind of, she's actually not really doing anything. She's just